In Nigeria today, it has become a thing of pride for the various tribes to create time each year to get together and showcase their peculiar social-cultural and traditional heritage. It was all pomp and pageantry, unlimited fun and excitement, as sons and daughters of Efik descent, home and in diaspora, gathered at the River Plate Garden in Abuja to celebrate this year's Usen Efik festival.
This is an event that started 4 years ago. It was meant to take care of those people from Calabar who are known as the Efiks, who cannot be in Calabar to celebrate Christmas for one reason or the other. So we celebrate them here. We have all the traditional dances. People have traveled from all over the world to come and attend this event. And it also generates interest in the younger ones who need to know about their culture. And most importantly, it helps to harmonize the Efik people, the entire Efik community.
The event, which now has the tag Mini Calabar Carnival, has become a unifying platform for all indigents of Efik in Abuja.
This year has been very special. You can see the crowd, the number of crowd people. We had so many people come from Calabar. It's awesome, and it's getting bigger by the day, and then we are very happy about it. Efik generally are very nice and very warm people, and in Abuja we are trying to build a bond within ourselves, and we are gradually succeeding in doing that. You see a lot of us here, a lot of us in this field live in Abuja, and we all leave whatever we are meant to do today just to come and sit with ourselves and enjoy, sit together and enjoy. All right, so
The Ekpe masquerades in different spectacular shades and sizes, such as Ebo, Nkanda, Atat Ebonko, Atemtem, Akang, and many more, held the visitors spellbound with their dance steps.
The importance of the Usen Efik is to gather all children of the Efik together on a day where we showcase our culture. Everyone comes around together. You meet people that you haven't seen in years. And then we not only showcase our culture, our food. We have the restaurant stand where different olden foods are also on display. And these masquerades cross all over, coming from Calabar to come. They're different. They showcase over 20 masquerades. So that even for those who are not going for Christmas, they feel that they're in Calabar and are also taking part of the events in Calabar.
I love the unity I see. I love the love. I love everything that we can see here. And whether we like it or not, it's like a home calling. Everybody's here to share. To see their friends that they haven't seen for a long time, that reside here in Abuja and the northern environments, because it's not just for Abuja, it's for the whole north. So like if you roll the cameras, it's filled to capacity. It's a show of solidarity for the Efik people and love. And I must say that it's remarkable that we can have this understanding and this share of love and show of love. Exactly, yes.
Also, the Abang Ye Aban, Inyok Ye Ntimi dancers adorned in beautifully cladded beads and colorful accessories displayed electrifying steps to the cheers of the audience. Efik traditional cuisines were not left out, as mouth-watering and tantalizing delicacies were available in surplus.
Delicacy called epan. Actually, it's a delicacy because of the preparation. It takes a long time to prepare, so it's not a meal you need every day. It's like on special occasions, or because it takes time to wrap it, and it is a meal prepared with love.
There were also cultural parades and displays by the various age grades, such as Asian, Okboho, and Ifaibom. Thereafter, the women took their turn to showcase why they are called Efik women.
Really happy about what we're seeing happening here right now. It's a showcase of our culture.
and a display of all the beautiful things that you can possibly expect from an Efik woman.
I'm going to prepare very well for the next one, definitely. I'm going to come in my yo-yo and I'm going to definitely dance there.
The event came to its peak with the grand entry and performance by Ekanem and Ekpenyong Ibo of Achibong Royal House, a masquerade that is rarely seen unless on royal occasions.
We try as much as possible to bring something different every year. We have so many. Efik, for some reason, God has blessed us with so much culture, so much masquerade. So we try to bring them out. We don't want them to go extinct. That's why you see what we are doing.
Looking forward to a bigger and better Usen Efik festival next year.